Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the L7C Pro Gimbals. Today, we'll dive into the features that make these gimbals stand out, including stabilization technology, tracking capabilities, and design. Whether you're a vlogger or just looking to capture smooth videos, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers unique features such as an ultra-wide-angle mode and a magnetic fill light, enhancing your video quality in various lighting conditions. In contrast, the L7C Pro focuses on intelligent face and object tracking, making it easier to capture dynamic shots without manual adjustments. Both gimbals provide 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth footage, but their feature sets cater to different filming styles. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus boasts a sleek design with ergonomic grips and a sturdy build, ideal for extended use. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro emphasizes portability with its foldable design, making it perfect for on-the-go videographers. Both designs are user-friendly, but the choice depends on whether you prioritize functionality or portability. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $109, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. On the other hand, the L7C Pro is more budget-friendly at $79, making it an attractive option for those looking for essential features without breaking the bank. Your choice may depend on your budget and the specific features you need for your projects. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the L7C Pro offer unique advantages for smartphone videography. If you need advanced features like ultra-wide-angle shots and additional lighting, the Hohem is the way to go. However, if portability and ease of use are your priorities, the L7C Pro is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.